Why is littering dangerous?
Hey, Bimmy! You going for a picnic?
Hey, Rudy, Alex. Yes, I am. Down by the lake.
Can we come? Can we? Can we?
Please?
I'm not sure I have enough food for all of us.
We won't eat a lot. I promise.
Yes, we promise.
Well, it would be nice to have some company. As long as we share the food nicely, you can come.
Yay!
Thanks, Bimmy.
Help Bimmy and the raccoons get to the picnic site. Oops! There's a large hole in the friend's way. Move the object that is the right shape into the hole. Well done! Oops! This bridge has been raised. Let's pull it down. Drag your finger along. Great! One part of the bridge is in place. Let's lower the second part of the bridge. Swipe along the line to lower the part of the bridge. Let's pull it down. Drag your finger along. Great job! Look! The little ducklings can't get down to their mother. Let's help them. Move the logs in the right order. Let's continue our journey.
This is so nice! I love it here!
What food have you got, Bimmy?
Let me see. Some sandwiches.
Ugh, what else?
Some potato chips and a chocolate bar.
Now we're talking.
And an apple pie.
My favorite!
I thought it might be.
Can I have some potato chips? Please?
Okay. What would you like, Rudy?
I'll start with a sandwich, please.
Me too. Oh, Alex! Your chip bag! Quick! Run after it!
Alex!
Oh, no! You shouldn't have done that, Alex!
What's the big deal? It'll sink soon and no one will know.
Litter can be very dangerous to wildlife. What if a bird got the potato chip bag stuck on its head? Or it does sink and a fish gets caught up in it.
I'm sorry. I didn't think about that.
It's okay. I have an idea. Wait here. Quick, find me a long stick.
Help Bimmy assemble the fishing rod. Find the items you need. First, great job! Now, let's find a rope. Well done! All that's left is to find a hook. Great job! Let's now assemble a fishing rod from these items. Move the things onto the correct silhouette. We did it!
Here we go.
Thanks!
Ooh, it's like a fishing rod.
That's not helping. It's no use.
Everything okay, boys?
No! Alex dropped a chip bag and it's gone into the lake.
Oh dear, that's not good.
I've tried to get it out with this hook, but it's not working.
I have another idea. If you all lean down to the water's edge carefully and begin scooping the water towards you, the chip bag should be carried back to shore.
But how will us splashing in the water bring the chip bag back to shore?
Ah, you see, by scooping the water towards us, you'll make waves. Waves have energy, and that energy can move things backwards and forwards in the water.
It's working!
Help your friends get the bag out of the water. Create waves to move an object. Drag your finger along the line to create a wave. Great job! Keep making waves. Drag your finger along the line to create a wave. Well done! Keep making waves. Drag your finger along the line to create a wave. Great job! You nailed it!
Got it!
Eureka! I'm very proud of all of you.
Thank you, Steve. I will be sure to throw my litter away properly next time.
I know you will. Smells like apple pie.
Oh, yes! My apple